Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. Thank you for coming back. In today's video I want to show you a quick video on about how to propagate begonia, from a begonia leaf, actually from the part of a leaf of begonia. Because after my last video, one of my last video about begonia, you asked me to show you how to propagate begonia from the veins, from the part of a leaf. So today I will show you everything, step-by-step instructions. I will try to make it as clear as possible for you guys. So if you are interested how to grow a begonia from a part of a begonia leaf, please continue watching. So here I have leaves, and I will show you directly what to do with that leaf. So let's get started. First of all, you have to choose the best leaf, the healthiest one, the biggest one, and you have to pay attention on these veins. So these veins should be rather big. If you want a lot of new growth, a lot of new plants, then you have to pay attention on the amount of that veins. There should be many of them, they should be big, the leaf should be strong, the veins should be strong. So don't take the smallest leaf or the dying leaf, just choose the best, the healthiest leaf you can find. Okay? The next, turn the leaves upside down. Take a sharp knife and just cut. Actually, you can cut each of this vein like this, but I will cut it maybe in 2, maybe in 3 sections. I don't need much, so your knife should be clean, should be sharp. So just take a leaf, take a knife and do like this. Up. So the first part is ready. For me, it is inconvenient to put like this in the soil because of this part, so I will also cut this part like this, just to have the more convenient option to put it in the soil. So the first part is ready. As you can see, this is looking like this. Here we have few veins going out of here. Okay, actually this part can be used also, but I don't need such many amounts of begonias. But if you want, you can try to propagate this part also. It will be propagated without any problems. The next, I will cut this part like this. Like this. Also here we have 3 strong, beautiful veins. They will also be good for rooting, for giving roots, for propagation. Okay, and as I said before, this part can be used also, but well, okay, I will put this one also. This one is good. the winds are good, so okay, I will put this one also. And also let's do this with our other leaves. Take a leaf. So take our leaf, take the sharp knife and make a cutting like this and like this. Also, I will cut this part away. One more cutting. Like this. And okay, I will use this one also. Just want to make it more convenient for me to propagate. Like this. So we have quite few sections of begonia leaves. Don't forget that each part of this leaf will give you roots, will give you new growths, will give you babies. So in this way you can multiply your begonias how that many that you can even imagine. Okay, that is clear. Now take a pot with a potting mix. Here I have perlite, and this is my favorite potting mix soil. As I mentioned in few of my previous videos, don't make a hole with your plant. Don't do like this. Just take your plant and stick in the soil. No, never. That method will produce root rottenness. So take something, for example your finger, some sushi stick or whatever you want, a spoon, a knife, some plastic thing. Just make holes with it. Take your leaves and put it in a soil. Press it slightly. Do everything carefully and do everything slightly. It's not a sport. It's a beautiful thing, propagating and growing plants, so everything gently, slightly, like a meditation, carefully. Sometimes when I growing or propagating plants, it's really is like a meditation for me, and it's relaxing time, so to say. Of course, after taking bath, propagating is also my relaxing time. I think you know, there are places where you can go to relax, like bath, like gyms, like beauty salons, something like that. And I think for us, for plant lovers, there should be some places open, like propagating place, where people can come and propagate something and just relax. That will be good actually for us, for people who like plants and fond of plants. So this is it. We actually planted part of leaves of begonia, and as you can see, I fill all the pot. so there will be many plants. Now I will spray it a little with water, not much, just a little. And this is it. I'll be waiting for the results. I'll be waiting for new growths coming, and of course I will show you the results of this method. But if you are impatient, as I am, so you can check. I have a playlist on my channel named Begonia, so you can check the result of such method of propagation on my channel. There are a few videos about how to grow, how to propagate begonias from a part of a leaf, so please check them out on my channel in a playlist Begonia. And now I want to show you that you can propagate peperomia. You can propagate peperomia the same like we did with begonias. Everything is the same. In this method we can propagate many plants like begonias, like peperomias, and so on and so forth. Also, a ZZ plant can be propagated, ZZ leaf can be propagated in this way, but I will show you this method in next videos, so stay tuned. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos, for more secret information. Thank you for coming one more time. See you very soon in my next video. Bye!